Hey guys, Ben with Income Options Trading here on Monday, December 9th. Not the best way to kick off the week here. The market had a bigger down move the first hour and a half of the day, and then a little bit of sideways, and then down the last 2 hours. So right away, VIX was up overnight, so I entered my short iron condor shortly after the market opened here. And it was doing great the first half hour or so, up a couple $100, but then the market fell and I got stopped out here just before 10 o'clock, and then market bounced back, went sideways a little bit, and then I entered a short put spread here just before noon, and then also one at 12:30 and another at 1:15 or so, and all four of those trades were losers today. So we had a full loss day. Ended up down about 2,500. So not ideal, obviously, but was up 6K last week. So still up. So I'm okay yet. But yeah, not the best scenario. The short iron condor, I had the 65 short, so it would have been well in the money if I wouldn't have took it off. The long was 60.15, so it was a lot further down yet. It would have been nicer if this continued. I had kept that long put on, but it didn't play out. So looking back, these two trades probably not the best, but after it bounced here and went sideways, I thought this was going to be the low of the day. And that was why I entered this third trade here. I thought even if we got down to this 55 mark that it would bounce, and it didn't. So you can see here I got out of the 60 short put on this candle here. We had a big red candle that went down. Not ideal. I didn't have, so with these short puts, I don't have resting stop orders, or if I do, they're way above the market. So I just had alerts in place, and if it went down below the short put, I got alerted. I'd take a look, saw that it was down, so I entered the trade manually. And then the other two trades here, I got out on the second candle here. So obviously not ideal, but trade to live another day. So that's all we can ask. Tomorrow I won't be here. I'll be around to trade the first couple hours of the day, but then the afternoon I am booked. So no recap tomorrow. I'll probably put on my early morning trade. If not, I'll for sure trade on Wednesday. Otherwise, I'll be back on Wednesday. I'm also looking toward 2025 here coming up. There's some things I want to do. One of those is be more transparent, showing my P&L and my trades a little bit more thoroughly for you guys. So I'm curious what people want to see as a starting balance. I'm thinking 50,000, but let me know below what value you want. I would say at least 25,000, so I don't have to worry about pattern day trading. I think 50 grand is kind of a decent starting point. I thought maybe even 75,000, but I didn't know what the majority of people were using. So I want to do something that's kind of in the realm of what the audience as a whole is doing. I don't want to do like $1 million. Not that I have $1 million, but then it wouldn't be as realistic. Also, we'll be doing a lot of these trades are more aggressive. So I'll show the portfolio back test here in an upcoming video here this month. Kind of what my goals are from a percentage basis. For a max drawdown, I'm looking to match kind of what the S&P 500 does on a somewhat annual basis, around that 20 to 25% drawdown mark. And then my returns anywhere from 20 to 100%, but probably in that 50% range. That's kind of what I'm looking for on the year. So around that 1% a week, give or take, is kind of my goal. So that's what I'll be shooting for next year. Also, another thing I want to look at are T-bills for tastytrade. You can now use T-bills. You can use the web platform to buy them. And I think they're margined at either 94 or 96%. So you have to use the cash to purchase it, but then you get a whole bunch of relief. And T-bills are like 4% annually right now. So I'll probably look at the portfolio as a whole. How many T-bills can I buy and still have enough trading capital cash for my debit account or my debit trades? So some things that I want to do here at the end of the year. If there's anything else you guys are interested in or have any questions on, whether it be trading related or portfolio or any of that stuff, let me know. Otherwise, yeah, I'll see you guys here on Wednesday. Thanks for watching.